Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will be preparing Tun Cornmeal. It's made with yellow corn and I'm going to show you how I do it here in Mexico. Put my little twist on it. In Jamaica it's normally done with bell peppers, but I'm going to use vegetable instead with a bit of color and some added spice as well. And so I'm going to walk you through the process. Let's go. So here I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. While that is being melted, let me walk you through some of the things I'm going to be using. Until that's done, I'm going to walk you through. So I have here onion, thyme, garlic, and cumin, as well as black pepper in this here. Here we have the cornmeal, 1.5 cup of water. I'm going to mix this around. And then we have our vegetable and our coconut milk. So while the oil is melting, what I'm going to go ahead and do is mix the cornmeal. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Maybe we don't need to use all of the water here, but everything needs to be coated. Everything needs to be coated. So I'm going with a bit more water. So the oil is almost, well, completely melt, so we're gonna saute the lightly. Oopsie daisy. We're gonna saute the onion and garlic, thyme, as well as the cumin. That's the first thing we're gonna do, remember. And then we are going to, this is on low heat, turn the heat down. We're going to cook it until the onion and the garlic is a bit translucent. Cook this down until on low, that's on low. So while that is going on, I'm going to add the remainder of the water. Not too much, but you know, everything needs to be fully coated, and it is fully coated. So everything is fully coated, I can see. Then I'm gonna go in with the veggies. Mix this around. So we have corn, carrots, a little bit of zucchini. You're gonna add some salt to this as well. One teaspoon of salt to taste, but you can taste as you go along and see how much more salt you need to add. So we're gonna add this coconut milk here and let this, everybody get to know each other. We're gonna let them come together. Let them come together. Get to know each other. Then we're gonna bring this to a medium boil and everything is cooked. Let everything cook together. And we're gonna let this go to a gentle simmer. So we're gonna cover this and let it come to a simmer. And then when that is done, we're gonna go ahead and add the cornmeal. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it while this comes to a boil. So now the pot has come to a boil. We're gonna mix it and taste, see if we need to add any more seasoning to it. It has enough salt. So we're gonna go in with our cornmeal. Little by little, little by little. Oh no. Oh no, we have to do it quick because we don't want any lumps, so I have to move a bit fast. Oh no, what's going on? Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I have to do this very fast so as to not have any lump. Oh my gosh. Let's hope I make it on time. So in Jamaica, we have this served with steamed fish. You can eat it by itself. It's that flavorful. It's so delicious. So I'm gonna mix, mix, mix. And ensure there is no lump. Try, well, at least try. Ah, nice. So I'm gonna cover this a bit. So we are almost finished here. This is perfect. This is perfect here. I can continuously mix it until it's very, very dry. There is no lump. That's good. It smells so good. I wish you were here and you could smell what's going on. And this is it. We are finished. So there we have it. Tun cornmeal. Oh, Tun cornmeal. Smells so good. This beautiful dish, if you make it, just let me know how it is, if you like it. So there are many variations. You can use okra, bell peppers, mixed vegetable, cooked saltfish. You can use beans. You can cook it with beans as well. This is one of my favorite dish from back home, Tun cornmeal. In the Caribbean, there are other names for it as well. In Barbados, they call it Cou Cou. So this is it, or Tun cornmeal, or as they call it in Barbados, Cou Cou. Delicious, yummy, scrumptious. So we are going to check on it again. This delicious Tun cornmeal. Like I said, you can add whatever you want to it. In Jamaica, there are many variations. And I guess, well, you know what, they're pretty much variation to everything also. So in Barbados they call it what they call it, Cou Cou, and in Italy they call it Polenta. It's the same thing, you know, using the yellow corn. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve this, plate it, and we gonna eat together. Well, you're not cooking with me live, so oopsie daisy.